Welcome to the 4th edition of Manufacturing in the Age of Experience. My name is Caroline, your host for the following days. Well, I am right now at the main stage of the event where a lot of demonstrations and workshops will take place in the days to come. And just to give you a little bit more vivid description of what to expect of this year's event, I'm joined by Guillaume Vendroux, the CEO of DELMIA, a Dassault Systems brand. Guillaume, thank you very much for being on the show.
My pleasure.
So can you tell us first, what's so special about this year's event?
This year we wanted to try something special. First, we wanted something more exclusive, okay? Because we want to attract the key or the top executive in the manufacturing domain. And for that, as you can see, we have a smaller room. We want to promote interactions, exchange. We want to capture the expectation of that very knowledgeable crowd. The second thing is we want to have as rich a content as possible. And to obtain rich content, we had to enlarge the panel of our partnerships. And you can see around that we have a lot of them here with us today to provide insights to all our audiences and to try to enlighten, their vision and the roadmap that they need to undergo in the future. And the third special thing is this. Because we talk about vision, we talk about trends, but at the end of the day, we want to provide pragmatic answers to our customers. And how to be pragmatic, more pragmatic than having a line, experiencing the problem, and show how the 3D Experience Platform can help solving the everyday problem of production.
So we also know this year's Manufacturing in the Age of Experience also coincides with China International Industry Fair, which is a major trade show in the country.
It is the trade show.
The trade show, that's right. So what's behind Dassault Systems' ambitions to be a part of it?
First of all, at Dassault Systems, and in particular with DELMIA, we believe that we are an actor of the manufacturing world. So everywhere that events such as CIF happens, we need to be there because we are part of that crowd. Second, if we want to capture the trends, the problems, the issues that face manufacturing, what better place to go than a place where you will find the top executive of all the manufacturing domains. So we are part of that crowd. This is where that crowd is, and we need to interact with them. Hence, we are here.
Well, thank you very much, Guillaume, for sharing your time with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much.